I was in Western Australia and I was watching lots of boards snapping every time there was a swell, and I thought there must be a better way. They're made out of polyurethane foam and a polyester fiberglass skin, and they are toxic. I'm Stu Bowen, I'm a circular designer and I'm reinventing the surfboard.
Surfing portrays this nice, sunny beach, beautiful landscape, but in reality it's a pretty wasteful sport. Surfboards might last a year, and all this plastic piling up is actually a real concern for the environment. Stu reached out about changing the way surfboards are manufactured and wanting to do that with Autodesk by actually creating a more robust 3D model of a surfboard, so that if we needed to make changes to the board, like change the rail curves or the rocker or the length, we could do that parametrically and do that quickly.
The project's all about optimisation of engineering and materials combined with replication. Replication to enhance performance, which then is ultimately better for the environment.
So we were able to take our 3D model of the board, break it up into the various segments that we are going to cut on the CNC machine, and then actually generate the toolpaths, or sort of the directions for the machine to cut out the various pieces of the board.
I got involved in the project to help Lamina understand how simulation can improve the performance of their products, but also the life expectancy and the environmental impact, which are all key objectives of the company. Fusion 360 can help Lamina solve a range of typical problems that companies their size are challenged with. Cost associated with prototyping and development, and also cutting down the time to market, enabling them to quickly react to market expectations, but reduce that development process to much shorter than what it typically would be.
We're reinventing and re-engineering the surfboard to perform better and last longer. The ultimate goal is to eliminate waste entering the environment.